Imagine this. You've had a long day, and the thought of heading to the gym feels like too much, but you're determined to get in shape, no matter how busy life gets. What if you could get a strong, lean body right from the comfort of your home without any equipment? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this isn't just a dream, it's your reality waiting to happen. In this video, we're going to walk you through 7 powerful exercises that will transform your physique and boost your fitness, all in just 1 month. And the best part, the final exercise is a total game changer. It's designed to melt fat and build muscle at the same time. Ready to change the way you think about fitness? Let's get started. Number 1, glute bridges. Glute bridges are one of the best exercises for activating and strengthening the glute muscles, essential for both aesthetics and functional movement. Glute bridges also work the hamstrings, making it a comprehensive lower body exercise. Glute bridges strengthen and stabilize the lower back, reducing injury risk, alleviating back pain, and improving posture. Glute bridges build core strength by engaging the abdominals and lower back muscles for stability. Strengthening, stabilizing muscles around the hips and core improves balance, enhancing athletic performance and preventing falls. A weak posterior chain, including the glutes and lower back, can lead to poor posture and injury. Glute bridges help strengthen these muscles. Strong glutes stabilize the pelvis, improving posture and reducing back pain. To perform glute bridges correctly, lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms at your sides. As you exhale, lift your pelvis upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for a moment and, as you inhale, gradually lower your pelvis back down. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 2, squats. Squats are effective for strengthening the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, leading to increased muscle mass and definition. Squats enhance leg strength, improving performance in activities like running or cycling. Regular squats tone and lift the glutes, resulting in a firmer, more defined appearance. Squats play a crucial role in strengthening the core, as the abdominals and lower back stabilize the body during movement. Squats activate the core, improving posture and reducing injury risk. Moreover, squats enhance balance and coordination, helping you stay steady during physical activities. Squats contribute to fat loss and better body composition when combined with a balanced diet and cardio. Squats engage large muscle groups, boosting calorie burn. Performing squats with higher intensity accelerates fat loss. Squats also raise your resting metabolic rate, promoting fat burning. In 4 weeks, you'll notice a leaner physique and improved muscle definition. Squats improve flexibility, mobility, and posture by strengthening the lower body and core. Strong glutes and core muscles improve posture, reducing back pain. Squats enhance flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, promoting better movement and reducing stiffness. To perform squats correctly, position your feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale as you gradually lower your body, pausing briefly at the lowest point. Maintain a straight back and concentrate on deep breathing. Exhale as you push yourself back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 3, push-ups. Push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core, lower back, and legs for stability. This full-body workout builds muscle mass and strength in key areas. Push-ups are highly effective at developing the chest and shoulders. Over 4 weeks, consistent practice of push-ups can lead to visible muscle tone and definition. Moreover, push-ups strengthen the core muscles, improving posture and balance. You'll notice a firmer, more stable midsection as your core is engaged with each rep. To continue muscle growth, gradually increase push-up intensity by adding reps, trying more challenging variations, or reducing rest time. Push-ups burn more calories than isolated exercises by working multiple muscles simultaneously. High-intensity push-ups or circuits can help boost fat burning and promote a leaner physique. Building muscle with push-ups increases your resting metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. After 4 weeks, you'll notice improved muscle tone and fat reduction, resulting in a more defined, athletic look, especially when paired with other fat-burning activities. To perform push-ups correctly, lie face down, maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your feet together and position your hands shoulder width apart. As you inhale, bend your elbows to lower your body while keeping it straight and engaging your core. Exhale as you push back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 4, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity workout that significantly boosts cardiovascular endurance. This exercise rapidly increases your heart rate, enhancing cardiovascular fitness, strengthening the heart, and improving circulation. Mountain climbers intensely engage the core, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back, leading to better core strength and stability. The exercise demands constant core engagement, building strength and endurance in the abdominal muscles. A stronger core supports better posture, making it easier to maintain an upright stance. Mountain climbers offer a comprehensive workout by targeting multiple muscle groups. The movement engages the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, leading to firmer legs. The exercise also works the shoulders, chest, and arms, increasing upper body strength and endurance. The high intensity of mountain climbers makes them effective for fat loss and improving body composition. Due to their full body engagement, mountain climbers burn a significant number of calories. Regularly performing them helps create a calorie deficit for fat loss, resulting in a leaner physique. The exercise boosts your metabolic rate, continuing calorie burn even after the workout. This helps with overall fat loss and enhances muscle definition. Mountain climbers challenge and improve coordination and balance. Maintaining balance during mountain climbers engages stabilizing muscles, improving your overall stability, and reducing the risk of falls. To perform mountain climbers correctly, start in a plank position with your arms straight. Activate your core muscles. Quickly pull one knee toward your chest, then return it to the starting position while bringing the opposite knee in. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 5, plank. Planks are highly effective for building core strength, which includes the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back. By holding a plank, you engage the entire abdominal area, enhancing muscle tone and endurance. Regular planking leads to a firmer, more defined midsection. As your core strengthens, you'll see increased abdominal definition and reduced belly fat. A strong core supports the lower back, reducing injury risk and alleviating back pain. Planks improve spinal stability, leading to less discomfort and better posture. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, improving overall body stability and balance. While focusing on the core, planks also activate the shoulders, chest, and legs. This comprehensive muscle engagement improves overall strength and control. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, increasing calorie burn. The isometric nature of the exercise elevates heart rate and calorie expenditure. By increasing muscle mass and reducing body fat, planks improve body composition, leading to a more toned and sculpted appearance. Planks play a crucial role in improving posture and spinal alignment. Planks help align the spine, shoulders, and hips, promoting a more upright posture. A strong core supports spinal alignment, reducing back pain and injury risk. Improved core stability will enhance overall physical health and comfort. To perform a plank correctly, lie on your elbows, making sure they are aligned vertically and at a right angle directly under your shoulders. Your body should create a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your legs straight and engaged. Perform 3 sets of 60 seconds each. Number 6, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a high-intensity, full-body aerobic exercise that elevates the heart rate and improves cardiovascular health by engaging the legs, arms, and core. They boost circulation and heart function, lowering your resting heart rate and reducing the risk of heart disease after regular practice over 4 weeks. With consistent effort, your body builds endurance, allowing you to perform more reps without fatigue. This enhanced stamina also improves performance in other activities like running and cycling. Jumping jacks burn calories efficiently, supporting fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. By working multiple muscles, jumping jacks increase calorie expenditure, promoting fat loss and a leaner body over time. Jumping jacks tone several muscle groups, building strength and endurance. The jumping motion tones the legs, glutes, and calves. Consistent engagement of the abdominals and obliques improves core strength, aiding posture and midsection definition. The movement also works the arms and shoulders, enhancing muscle endurance and tone. Jumping jacks improve coordination and balance by requiring synchronized upper and lower body movement. Regularly engaging core muscles during jumping jacks strengthens stability, reducing injury risks. To perform jumping jacks correctly, stand upright. As you breathe in, jump and spread your legs wider than shoulder width while raising your arms above your head at the same time. Jump back to the starting position and repeat the movement. Perform 3 sets of 60 seconds each. Number 7, lunges. Regular lunges strengthen the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. After 4 weeks, expect firmer, stronger legs. Lunges also tone the glutes, resulting in a more lifted, sculpted backside. Lunges improve coordination and stability, making them excellent for building core strength. Lunges engage the abdominals and lower back, enhancing posture and reducing injury risk. Lunges also develop balance and coordination by requiring control of your body weight on one leg. Lunges contribute to fat loss and a better body composition. Building muscle through lunges boosts your resting metabolic rate. Lunges reduce body fat and increase lean muscle mass, giving your body a more athletic appearance. Lunges improve flexibility and mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles. The range of motion in lunges stretches the hip flexors, alleviating tightness from prolonged sitting. Regular lunges maintain joint mobility, reducing stiffness in the knees and ankles. Lunges correct imbalances and improve posture by strengthening muscles around the spine and pelvis. Strong glutes, hamstrings, and core improve posture, helping you stand taller and reducing back pain from muscle imbalances. Lunges enhance the strength of muscles around the hips and knees, reducing the risk of injury and promoting joint mobility. To perform lunges correctly, start with your feet shoulder width apart and keep your back straight. Step forward with one leg, making sure that the front leg creates a right angle while the back leg remains on the toes and is also bent at a right angle. Return to the starting position and switch to the other leg. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. By incorporating these 7 simple but powerful exercises, you can transform your body in just 1 month. No gym, no fancy equipment, just your dedication and consistency. If you're ready to continue this journey and see the results for yourself, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.